Have you ever pondered what the future of museums might look like? Could it involve more than just static displays and guided tours? Picture our museums today, brimming with cultural heritage, yet often grappling with issues like limited accessibility and visitor engagement. Now, imagine a world where innovation and technology breathe life into these spaces, transforming them into hubs of interactive learning. The potential of artificial intelligence to revolutionize the museum experience is immense. Imagine a museum where every visitor receives a personalized and interactive experience. That's where AI comes into the picture. This is no longer a figment of our imagination. Museums across the globe are already harnessing the power of AI. Let's take a journey and explore some of the real-world examples that are setting the stage for this digital revolution. The Smithsonian Institution, a venerable pillar of culture and history, has stepped into the future with its use of AI. They've developed virtual tours that are not just pre-recorded walkthroughs but interactive experiences. These AI-powered tours can adapt in real time to the interests of the virtual visitor, shifting focus and providing information based on visitor preferences. It's like having a personal tour guide who knows exactly what you want to see. Across the pond, the British Museum is also making significant strides with the help of artificial intelligence. They've introduced an AI chatbot that provides an interactive and personalized visitor experience. This smart companion can answer inquiries, provide in-depth information about exhibits, and even suggest what to explore next based on the visitor's expressed interests. This has not only enhanced visitor engagement, but also increased accessibility, allowing people from all corners of the world to engage with the museum's rich collection in a truly personal way. By integrating AI, these institutions have not only preserved but also revitalized our cultural heritage, making it more engaging and accessible than ever before. These museums have successfully embraced AI, setting a new standard for the future of cultural heritage. Artificial intelligence isn't just about robots and sci-fi movies, it's a powerful tool that's transforming our cultural experiences. Just take a moment to recollect the incredible examples we've discussed. AI, combined with virtual reality, is bringing antiquities back to life, letting us interact with them in ways we've never thought possible. It's like stepping back in time right from the comfort of your living room, but it doesn't stop there. AI is also helping museums to personalize their virtual tours. Depending on your interests, AI can tailor the tour to suit your taste, ensuring you don't miss out on objects that fascinate you. Furthermore, the use of AI in preserving cultural heritage is an essential leap forward. Through high-definition scans and AI algorithms, we can now restore and preserve ancient artifacts digitally, protecting them for future generations. AI is not replacing the traditional museum experience, it's enhancing it. The future of museums is here, and it's more exciting than we ever imagined.